Very good afternoon. A very good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Abhijit, and I'm going to conduct this training session for the St. Joseph Law College. I'll share this detailed write-up which provide a detailed insight of what all contents are available on Lexis Advanced platform. So if you look at this detailed write-up, around 40,000 plus sources available from global jurisdiction, starting from UK, United States of America, Canada, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, New Zealand, and India. Now, the coverage includes all the major and proprietary content of LexisNexis, starting from Halsbury's Laws of India, plus Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, along with All England Law Report. So we procure All England Law Report since inception till date, which means from 1936 to till date, all the cases which was published under All England Law Report is available with us along with their true print. Same goes with All England commercial cases, appeal cases, Chancery Division, King's Bench, Queen's Bench. Then construction law reports, Simon's tax cases, European Court of Human Rights cases, law reports of Commonwealth, Australian law reports. Now these are the few international commentaries starting from entire Butterworth series, then Buckley on sentence, Boyle and Birds, Crook on cause, Duncan Neal on defamations, then Emden construction law. So these are the few international commentaries along with 300 plus Indian commentaries starting from Ramaiya, Didi Basu, Chaturvedi Pithisaria, Kanga Palkiwala, Sarkar on evidence, then Ratan Lal, Dheeraj Lal, Bachawat, C.R. Datta, Palak Mullah, G.P. Singh, N.S. Bindra, Darshaw Vakil. So these are the Indian commentaries. Apart from that, all those yellow covered Universal Bear Act, which comprises central and state acts, are fully covered. Then 800 law journals and law reviews starting from Cambridge, Harvard, Yale, Modern Law, all are covered. Then content from US Supreme Court cases, Lawyers Edition, federal cases, Court of Appeal, statutes, legislation from all 50 states and federal. So this is the detailed write-up. Now I can show you the live platform of LexisNexis. So when you begin with your login ID and password, this is the landing page of this particular interface. So this is the landing page. And here you can see the product name Lexis Advance India is given here on the top. And if you look at this universal search bar, this red search bar, which allows you to search for any keyword, any publication that you want to access, any party name, case name, citation, you can put it here only, right? Now, if you look at this flag option, when you click on this drop down here, you can see all the multi-jurisdictional searches available. So with the help of this multi-jurisdiction search, you can, restrict your jurisdiction before you proceed to search. And the jurisdiction which we cover like India, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and United States of America. Now, first we begin with India jurisdiction. Now, I'll go for a keyword search first. So I'll put keyword here, medical negligence. Now, because medical and negligence is two different words, so I put double quotes to keep it together. Now, without worrying the content type, I'll perform a search, and here you can see under the snapshot link, here you find Indian cases, 3,175 in total, legislation, 10 legislation covered, and 289 results comes from analytical material. So here analytical material means the proprietary commentaries of LexisNexis. Now, if you look at medical negligence is already highlighted in green color and the number of cases from Indian jurisdiction is 3,175. Now on the extreme right hand side here, you can see judgment date. So here you can select relevance on top, document title A to Z, Z to A, jurisdiction A to Z, Z to A, court highest to lowest, lowest to highest, judgment newest on top or oldest on top. Now, if you look at on the extreme left hand side, so these are the ready-made filters starting from search within search, content type, whether you want a case or a case citator feature, jurisdiction. So this is the entire jurisdiction covered, number of courts. So this is the entire list of courts, locations, tribunals, commission in India. This is the timeline bar. With the help of this timeline bar, you can select the date range. For example, you want a case on medical negligence between 2015 to 2020. So what you can do, you can simply scroll this cursor and you can select your preferred date range, right? The last one is the next one is publication. So this is the list of publication. Then the next one is legal topics. So medical negligence pertaining to civil procedure, administration, commercial, constitutional, contract, criminal procedure. And the last one is bench strength. Whether you want a single bench judgment or a divisional bench judgment, you can select that as per your requirement, right? Now go to legislation part. So here it cover all those yellow covered universal bare acts, right? Now here you can see under this content type, the bifurcation is given: acts, rules, regulations, regulations, court rules. Now when you click on this acts, so here you can see all the state act, central act are fully covered here. And on the extreme left hand side, the jurisdiction, publication, instrument titles, and instrument year is given for your ready reference. Now go to next segment, which is analytical material part, which is the most important one. So 289 results come from this particular segment, which is the commentaries part. Now go to content type and select commentary first. So here you can see 112 results come from Indian commentaries. Now go to publication, which is available on the extreme left hand side. Now here you can see all the leading titles from Indian jurisdiction, starting from Modi on medical jurisprudence, 26th edition, older edition also covered here. Then Avtar Singh, Hasbury's, Ratan Lal, Dheeraj Lal, M.H. Srinivasan, G.P. Singh, B.P. Banerjee, Charu Sharma, V. Nageshwar Rao, Kaka De, Karnika Sen. All the leading commentary is available for your ready reference. Now, if you look at the more number of results comes from Modi on medical jurisprudence. So I'll quickly open this particular commentary. Now, when you open this commentary here, you can see 17 odd results come from this particular commentary only. Now, when I click on the very first link, which is medical negligence in India, now here you can see under this breadcrumb trails, here you find all the relevant information related to a particular commentary. So information like the edition, the chapter and section. Now, if you look at here, 26th edition, section number 1 and chapter number 5, it's clearly visible to you. Now, first we explain the section itself, followed by the full text commentary, right? Moreover, if you look at the entire commentary is hyperlinked with related acts and cases, which means we do not provide the raw material, but lots of editorial enhancement done by LexisNexis editorial team. Now, if you look at while reading this particular paragraph and you came across this particular link, which is Constitution of India. Now, any student wants to read what is Constitution of India, what he or she can do, just do a right click, open this particular link in different tab and browse the entire Constitution of India in one go. Similarly, when you read this particular portion of the paragraph, so for example, subsequent to the adoption of guidelines for consumer protection by the General Assembly of the United Nations by consensus in 1985, the Parliament of India enacted a law, the Consumer Protection Act. Now, if you want to read what is Consumer Protection Act, you can do a right click and you can browse the entire Consumer Protection Act with amendment in one go. Now, similarly, when you scroll down and you came across this particular paragraph where the citation is available. Now, if you look at, these are the English citation, which is taken from Weekly Law Reports and All England Law Report. Now anybody wants to see this particular case, so just do a right click and you able to see the entire case in one go. Now if you look at, this is the case here, it shows the party name Bullam versus Ferren Hospital Committee Management Committee. These are the equivalent citation from All England Law Reports, Weekly Law Reports, BMLR. Here you can see this is taken from Queen's Bench Division and the in February 20, 1957. So this is the full text case along with this court ready PDF. So when you look at this court ready PDF, this is the exact replica or true print of this particular case. So when you open this, here you can see the entire true print of this particular case, right? Which is again very beneficial to understand the point of law, right? Now, when you done read this particular portion of the commentary, go to next from here, or you can simply click on this table of content. When you click on this table of content, click on view full table of content, and here you can see the entire chapter of this particular commentary is clearly visible to you. Now here you can see Modi on medical jurisprudence and toxicology divided into two sections. Section 1 highlights medical jurisprudence, whereas section 2 highlights toxicology part. Now when I expand section 1, the chapter wise information is clearly visible to us. So starting from chapter number 1 to chapter number 37 along with appendix, all are fully covered. Now, if you want to download certain portion from this particular commentary, so here you can see all the deliverable mechanism like add to folder, print, email, download is readily available to you. So you can select, and here you can see when you select chapter number 1, it shows 6 documents selected. Similarly, when you can add chapter number 2, it goes up to 100 document. Chapter number 3, it goes up to 17 document, and chapter number 4, it goes up to 30 documents. So in one go you can download only 100 sections, right? 100 document in one go. So you can select up to 100, right, like this. So which means in one go you can download only chapter number 1 to chapter number 11, because if you look at till chapter number 11, 86 documents selected. So here you can see add to folder option, print option, email option, and download option. When you click on the download, this box basically for different customization tools available. So he it asks for the file type, whether you want a PDF document or a Word document. You can select that as per your requirement and go to formatting option. Here it also ask you whether you want a cover page, whether you want Lexis logo or not, first name, last name, page numbering, right? So all these information you can select as per your requirement. Now, when you click here, it will download the entire chapter number 1 to chapter number 11 in your system hard disk, right? So this is the only limitation available on downloading, emailing, and as well as printing the content from Lexis Advanced Portal, right? Now go to next section. Now, if you are not satisfied with the Indian precedent, which is available on LA platform, Lexis Advanced platform, so what you can do, you can simply switch your jurisdiction. So now here you can see India flag, which shows 3,175 cases. Now, if you look at the other jurisdictions like UK, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and United States of America. Now, when you click on this UK flag, it gives you all the content from UK jurisdiction, and here you can see the bifurcation as well. So 1408 results come from UK cases, 48 legislations, around 1434 secondary materials, forms precedents, starting point, news, etc., etc. Now, if you look at the cases, so here you can see these are the cases, and again on the extreme right hand side you can see this relevance tab, right? So now here you can see date oldest to newest, newest to oldest. I'm so sorry for this disturbance. मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही थी और वो बस एकदम 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 now here you can see 1408 results come from UK cases. Again here you can see relevance like date old newest to oldest, oldest to newest. Now, if you talk about the available filter which is available on the extreme left hand side, so here you can see this case reports, and when you click on this publication part, it shows all the important law reports, right? So starting from Irish approved judgments to weekly law reports, the ICLR appeal cases, ICLR King's Bench, Queen's Bench, then family law reports, construction law reports, all the important law reports is clearly available to you. Now, when you click on the secondary material part, basically it cover all the international commentaries along with law reviews and law journals. So when you click here, you can see UK law reviews and law journals, and the next one is commentary. So when you click on this commentary part, go to publication, and here you can see all the important commentaries from UK jurisdiction. So like the law of tort, common law series, Butterworth's cost services, damages, the law of damages from common law series, Buckley on negligence, Simon Stack's intelligence, Bingham and Behrman's personal injury and motor claim cases. So these are the few international commentaries. Now go back to the international law reports, sorry, law reviews and law journals. So when you click here, go to publication. Now here you can see all the important law reviews and law journals, starting from New Law Journals to Cambridge Law Journals, Oxford Journals of Legal Studies, Human Right Law Review, then Cambridge Quarterly Health Ethics. So all the important one is clearly available to you. Now, if you look at this Modern Law Review, so go to Modern Law Review and simply click on the very first link, which is medical negligence, non-patients and third-party claim. So this is the article which was published under this Modern Law Review. And when you done read this particular portion, go to next from here, or you can simply open this table of content. When you click on this table of content here, you can see you can browse the entire Modern Law Review in one go. So since 2000 to 2021, all the volumes are fully covered here. And here you can see monthly issues available. So here you can see issue 3, which is June, which is from June. And here you can see the article which was published under this Modern Law Review, right? Now go back. So similarly, you can select the other jurisdiction as well. So here you can see Australia, Canada, go to Hong Kong, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and United States of America. So here again, from United States, here you can see 10,000 plus cases, 3,176 legislations, 8,909 secondary material. So secondary material, again, go to content type, law reviews, law journals, then go to publication to select the relevant portion from this particular jurisdiction. Now I can show you how to use a Boolean connector, how to do a Boolean connector search on Lexis platform. So I'll take same example of medical negligence. So earlier when I search for medical negligence in Indian jurisdiction, so it gives me around 3,100 results from Indian jurisdiction, Indian cases. Now what I can do, I'll put one connector and put my next keyword, which is compensation, right? When I perform a search, so without worrying the content type, it gives me cases, legislations, and analytical material in one go. Now here you can see from 3,100 result, it goes down to 1,952 only. Now, the best part is medical negligence is highlighted in green color and compensation is highlighted in orange color, right? Now, if you look at this heat maps, this bars, so it shows where your keyword is placed in the entire judgment, right? So when you click on this green bar, it shows compensation portion. And when you click on this green bar, it shows medical negligence portion, right? So with the help of this heat maps, the reader, uh, there is no need to read the entire judgment one by one, right? So by scrolling your mouse, you can easily understand whether this particular case is relevant to you or not, right? Now, if you look at to further drill down, what you can do, you can replace and with next connector, which is W/P. So here W/P stands for within same paragraph. Now the search string is I want medical negligence, within same paragraph I want compensation. Now when I do a search from 1952 result, it goes down to 1239 results, which means the irrelevant 700 cases were eliminated, right? In the same way, you can identify with these bars whether this particular judgment is relevant to you or not. Now, next is you can replace P with S. Now, S stands for within same sentence. Now, the search string is medical negligence within same sentence. I want compensation. Now, when I perform a search from 1239, it goes down to 874, which means close to 400 cases, irrelevant cases were eliminated, right? Now, again, what you can do to get it more precise, replace S with any number. So it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 5, it could be anything, right? When I do a search for one word each other, it gives me only 49 cases where medical negligence is available within one word each other compensation. Now, after that, you can apply these filter, which is available on the extreme left-hand side, right? Now I can show you where you find the list of Boolean connector. Go to home page, click on this advanced search, go to cases. Now here you can see use connector. So double quote used for exact phrase and two or more words anywhere in the document, or include or one more words, and not exclude document containing word or phrase should be last connector or might produce unexpected results. Slash and first word with n words, exclamation mark word variations, right? When you click here, you can easily find out the entire list, which you can refer this for your future references, right? Now I can show you the browse option. So when you click on this browse, go to publication, then select country analytical material. Now, when you click on this analytical material from Indian jurisdiction, here you find the list of the number of commentaries. So around 373 commentaries available in this database. And if you look at all the commentary with their author name is alphabetically arranged. So starting from Abhimanyu Bandari and Kartika Sharma, a critic of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Then goes to Abhishek on service tax, Alka Chawla, Par Gupta, Arvind Datta, Asim Pandya, BP Banerjee. Similarly, when you click on this M alphabet, so all the relevant commentary with M alphabet like M.A. Rashid, MC Bhandari, Amal Thani, Jain, Madras Law Journal, MLJ, then Modi on medical jurisprudence, Mullah Code of, starting, if you look at the Mullah series, so Mullah Code of Civil Procedure, Mullah Code of Civil Procedure, latest edition, Transfer of Property, Hindu Law, Principal Law, Registration Act, covered, right? Or you can do subject uh, subject wise also. So for example, if you want to look at what all commentary available on arbitration, so when I type arbitration here, you can see Bachawat, CR Datta, PC Markanda, enforcing arbitral award. Similarly, if you look at for code of civil procedure, now when I look for code of civil procedure, it shows MP Jain, Mullah, then Sarkar. Then when I look for evidence, so here you can see Nageshwar Rao, Helsbury's, KD Gaur, Rao and Rao, Ratan Lal, Dheeraj Lal, then Sarkar, UL Bhatt, Woodruff, Amir Ali. Now when I look for code of criminal procedure, so I type criminal. So here you can see B.R. Sharma, D.D. Basu, Helsbury's, J.K. Sonawala, Kakade, Kathuria, K.D. Gaur, right? So this is all about Lexis Advanced Database. So if you have any question or doubt, feel free to ask anything related to this.
Thank you, Mr. Abhijit. Just one question. Can we have a list of journals which are accessible by?
So I can share you the list of journals on Balraj sir email ID, because in this platform there is no as such column, a specific column available for list of journals, sir. So I can share the entire list of content on Balraj sir email ID for your ready reference.
Excellent. And one final question is, to what extent, so all these commentaries which are available, they're only read-only commentaries. We can't download them, or even if we download them.
No, you can download, sir. You can download, you can print, but the only restriction is you can download 100 sections only.
All right. Can you show us a few commentaries with respect to taxation?
Okay. So this is from P. Som, Taxation Principle and Application. So when you expand this, these are the chapters. Chapter number 1. So this is the commentary. Go to next from here.
Do we have any specific textbooks which are available apart from commentaries?
So I'll quickly open MP Jain.
All right.
Principle of Administrative Law. Chapter number 1, Introduction. So this is the full text. Go to next from here. Next, or you can simply toggle between table of index.
All right. Is there any limit on the number of users?
No, sir. So we had given you IP access as well as the generic ID. So with the help of generic ID, the number of users can access the database simultaneously.
Is there a minimum limit?
No, sir.
So let us say if 100 students are accessing this database, they wouldn't find it any difficult to toggle between pages or download documents.
No, sir. No, sir. Not at all.
But there's no upper limit, right? So the upper limit can be even up to 1,000 students can access it at the same time.
See, the only request is on the basis of utmost good faith, we had given this generic ID only for the user of St. Joseph College of Law.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now this will be only used by our students, but we want to know what is the upper limit.
There is no as such koi upper limit, sir. So 500 students or 1,000 students can access the database from their remote location anytime, anywhere.
Okay.
So there is no as such capping, sir.
All right, great. And everything else is downloadable except for those contents wherein the upper limit would be 100 pages.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Would there be a watermark on the download?
So I had shown you, sir, this when you click on this download, go to formatting option, and these are the personalization feature available. So if you do not want this LexisNexis logo, uncheck this and then download the entire text.
Can you show us one demo of one download, please?
Yeah. So for example, I want to download this particular chapter. So go to download option. I want PDF. Click on this download.
Will the PDF be in a locked format? Can we copy the text in the PDF?
I don't think so, sir. This is, I think, locked format.
Oh.
So you can download in Word document as well. So for example, go to download, select Word file, then download. So this is under Word document. So from here you can do cut, copy, paste everything that you want. Sir.
Okay, all right. Because then it serves no purpose for us to download the PDFs if we are unable to copy the text.
Yes.
Anything else that you want us to pay attention to?
Sir, this is, I can, I had covered all the important portion during the training session. Post that, I will share the list of journals along with user manual guide with sir, librarian, sir.
Great. Excellent. Can we have Bharat sir step in now? Bharat sir?